The activity I got was Think, Pair, Share, and what it is the students are asked questions such as, what did you learn during today's lesson? And then they are given a few minutes to think alone about the question. They then pair up with the partner and share their thoughts with each other. And then they join the larger group or the whole class and move through the class and assesses the overall depth and understanding of the students. According to Cooper, using Think, Pair, Share, teachers offer every student a practice opportunity to get a broader picture of mastery. So during this, the teacher is able to observe the class and listen to their answers and to see who understands the questions and who may need a little bit more help. It is also important because it allows the students to get a chance to think before answering and others answer. And so according to Cowling, when doing an activity like this, it makes students feel safer and more relaxed. That is because every student would rather not talk in front of the whole class right away. They like to think about their answer before that. And it helps them with speaking skills and fostering listening skills. And then it just helps them work in groups. So some examples I have is during a lesson about the Oregon Trail in history class, the teacher starts to notice that some of the students are not super engaged. The teacher decides it is perfect time for Think, Pair, Share. The question that he asks is, why is it important for families to work together during this move? The class thinks about it for a bit and then turns to their table partner to discuss. From there, the teacher calls on each group to share their thoughts. Next, the teacher just finished with the day's chapter for the read aloud. She then asked them, out of the characters in the book, who would you want to be friends with and why? Students then sit for a while to think. From there, they share with their table group, and after, the teacher calls on the groups to share some of their answers. Those are just activities that I think will work well because you are getting a better understanding from all the students and not just one student from what they've learned during the lesson. Thanks!